Hey Sassy fam, so yes, we are back with another vlog, and this time it's about IKEA, our city mall's opening day, and we were invited since we are a member, and it was amazing. I mean, you can just see the videos. It was a warm welcome. It was amazing, amazing. So here are glimpses of how the store looks like. It's gonna open, I think, on the 28th of July. Since we were invited 4 days before, I thought let me just share my experience with you guys. So here's some glimpses. Have fun. Like any other city store, they've tried to put in everything possible. The store, I think, has got 2 floors. It's on the second and third floor. Oh, here's my baby playing with a dinosaur, and you can actually find the videos in and around. I've tried to put in as much as possible. But yes, definitely not everything was available. We just could find few things there, and few things were on display, but definitely didn't have it, and they were asking us to order it online. So let's see how you guys like it. Oh, such a cute display. I totally love this display, and that's the reason I actually recorded this. And what a great ending with all the amazing food. Obviously, since we were there before the opening date, we didn't really find much to eat. But yes, definitely they had the classics on their menu for us. So here you are. Thank you so much. I hope you guys like this video. Please do follow me on Instagram and like, share, subscribe.